Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of AI-powered creativity with a focus on Deep Dream Generator 2025. If you're passionate about exploring the boundaries of art and technology, this video is for you. Deep Dream Generator is a powerful AI tool that transforms ordinary images into surreal, dreamlike artworks. Originally developed by Google engineers, this AI utilizes neural networks to enhance and manipulate images in ways that mimic how a computer dreams. Over the years, it has evolved into a highly versatile platform that offers a range of artistic styles and tools to elevate your creativity. To get started, let's talk about what makes the 2025 version of Deep Dream Generator stand out. This year's iteration comes with advanced features, improved processing speed, and more customization options than ever before. Whether you're an artist, a hobbyist, or just curious, the platform offers something for everyone. It's not just about making visually stunning images, it's also about exploring the intersection of human creativity and machine learning. The process is straightforward but deeply rewarding. First, you upload an image. It could be anything, a portrait, a landscape, or even a simple pattern. Next, you choose a style. Deep Dream Generator has an extensive library of styles, ranging from abstract and psychedelic to more subtle artistic techniques like oil painting or watercolor. Once you've made your selection, the AI works its magic, blending the style into your image to create a masterpiece that's uniquely yours. One of the most exciting updates in the 2025 version is the dynamic style blending feature. This allows you to mix multiple styles in a single artwork, giving you even greater control over the final output. For example, you could combine elements of cubism with a touch of impressionism, resulting in a hybrid piece that feels both modern and classic. Another standout feature is the enhanced resolution capabilities. With higher processing power, the AI can now generate ultra-high-definition images without losing detail or introducing unwanted artifacts. This is a game changer for those who want to print their creations or use them in professional projects. Deep Dream Generator also caters to those who love experimenting with colors and textures. The custom color palettes feature lets you tweak the mood of your artwork by adjusting hues, contrasts, and saturation levels. This is particularly useful if you're working on a themed project and need your images to align with a specific aesthetic. The platform's community integration is another highlight. Artists from around the world share their creations, providing endless inspiration and the opportunity to collaborate. You can follow other users, comment on their work, and even participate in themed challenges to push your creative boundaries further. For those new to Deep Dream Generator, the interface is intuitive and user-friendly. The 2025 update includes a streamlined dashboard that simplifies navigation, making it easy to access tutorials, browse styles, and manage your projects. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual or a complete beginner, you'll find the platform accessible and enjoyable. One of the most appealing aspects of using Deep Dream Generator is the element of surprise. While you can guide the process with your choices, the final result often contains unexpected twists that make each piece feel magical. This unpredictability is part of what keeps users coming back, as every image is a new adventure. Deep Dream Generator isn't just for personal use, it has applications in various industries. Graphic designers can use it to create unique visuals for branding or marketing campaigns. Musicians often pair their album covers with AI-generated artwork to evoke specific emotions. Even educators and researchers are leveraging the tool to explore how artificial intelligence interprets the world. If you're wondering about accessibility, the platform offers both free and premium options. The free version provides basic features, while the premium subscription unlocks advanced tools, higher resolutions, and priority processing. This flexibility ensures that anyone can participate, regardless of their budget. Before wrapping up, let's address some tips for getting the most out of Deep Dream Generator. First, don't be afraid to experiment. Try different styles, layer multiple effects, and upload a variety of images. The more you play around, the better you'll understand what works for your vision. Second, take advantage of the platform's in-depth tutorials. These guides cover everything from basic techniques to advanced workflows, helping you master the tool in no time. Finally, share your creations. Whether it's on social media, art forums, or the Deep Dream Generator community itself, putting your work out there can open doors to feedback, inspiration, and even collaboration. The beauty of AI art lies in its ability to connect people across the globe through a shared love of creativity. And that's it for today's video. We've covered the latest features, tips, and creative possibilities of Deep Dream Generator 2025. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Your support means the world and helps us continue bringing you content like this. Thank you for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.